There's a feature within Microsoft Deployment Toolkit which gives you the ability to change the background of your deployment. So by default, when you deploy an image, you have a basic Microsoft Deployment Toolkit background. But if you go over to your deployment server, onto the server which has the deployment workbench installed, you can go to File Explorer and then browse to C, Program Files, Microsoft Deployment Toolkit, and then Samples. Within the Samples folder, there is a background.bmp file, and this is the background that gets deployed. So what you can do is either replace this background file or add another file with whatever background you want to have. So I've just uploaded a custom image. Now that the image is here, I can go over to my deployment share. I can right click the deployment share and go to Properties, then go to Windows PE, and then select the platform version. And then under WinP customizations, there's a custom background bitmap file. So by default, it pulls this background file. So if you replace it, you don't need to make any amendments to that. But if you update this file, it will impact every deployment share that you've got. Whereas if you add another custom image file, you can just update specific shares. So what I'll do is I'll just copy the name of this file, and then in the Properties tab, I'll just select the background and then rename it so it goes for my custom file, and then press Apply and then OK. The last thing I have to do is update the deployment share, select Completely Regenerate the boot images, and do Next. Next to update the boot image file. Now that the share has been successfully updated, we can go over to our deployment server and then replace the boot image with the new LightTouchP file that has been generated in our deployment share boot folder. So we can open that, do Next, Next. You can rename it if you want. I'm just going to leave it as default, and then Next to import. Now that that's finished being replaced, if we go back to our deployment, I will restart the machine and then reboot into the deployment environment. Now I'm back in the deployment environment. We can see that the new image has been updated. Other than this looking a bit better than the default one, it provides no real benefit to any of the deployments. It's just purely aesthetic. That's how you change the background of your deployment share boot environment.